Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can transform an image to a video using AI Tubo. In order to do so, here we are at aitubo.ai and we're all logged in. What we're looking for is on the left-hand side under Tools, you'll find where it says AI Video Generator. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you can see that you can either do an image from text, from image, or from reference. So what we want to do in this case is we're going to go ahead and select from image. And we have our image here that I've already selected. And we want to transform this into a video. So here in the prompt, while it is optional, it's not a bad idea to put here what you're looking for. So in this case, we have two ninjas in a hallway. And this is just to give the AI some idea of what it is that we're looking for. Now, in this case, what we might want is some more detail. So let's just put here in fighting stance. So that gives the AI more of an idea of what we're looking for. Now, from here, you can select either duration, you can select your aspect ratio, and a couple of other options here. You have prompt enhance as well. So if you want to toggle this on, then this is going to enhance the prompt that you have added. And then from there, you can go ahead and click generate. That being said, this is for only pro subscribers. So while AI Tubo does provide you a certain amount of credits to play around, the video generation is part of the pro subscription. So in order to use it, you are going to need that. So let's go ahead and just take a look at the subscription here and we'll see what it is that we're looking for. So we could see here that with the basic subscription, it is $13 a month, and that's going to provide you 8,000 tokens a month. So that's quite a few tokens to play around with. But again, you do get 50 daily tokens, but this does not include the video generation. That is only for the pro level. And it does appear that that is the $45 a month option. So that gives you an idea of what to expect with AI Tubo if you want to generate an image to a video. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.